Hey guys, good morning. Thanks for tuning in. Back in the creek again. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. Hopefully I can cut some trout. All right guys, stay tuned. All right, let's try it here. I lost a few nice fish in the first spot. One fish stuck my lure, broke me off. There's one. Oh, nice one. Oh, nice brown. Stay on. Oh, yes. Oh, stick and drag. Man, it's rocky in here. Oh, nice brown, guys. Oh, heck yeah. Giant. Come here, buddy. Big brown. Whew. Yes. Oh, that's a giant. All right, guys. Another giant brown. Whew. Look at that. 20 maybe. All right, she's almost to go, ready to go. Come on, buddy. Yes, there she goes. Bye-bye. All right, let's get another one. Oh, there's another one. Another big one following my lure. Another one. Oh, there's a rainbow. Nice rainbow. Oh, heck yeah. Yes. All right, guys. Another beautiful rainbow. Come down, buddy. Gee. This fish is very strong. Look at that. Number 2. Good, buddy. There she goes. All right, let's get another one. Once again, I'm using this ultralight jerkbait, the brown trout color. I can't go fishing without it. It's an amazing lure. Oh, there's one. Oh, no. Oh, you see that? Oh, it broke me up again. Oh, my God. That's 2 already. I'm not sure if I have more brown trout color jerkbait. It broke me up. Dang. All right, I got one more left. That's it. Gotta get more from Walmart. It's cheaper. Ooh, big one. Big brown, look at that. Woo! Please stay on. Don't break me up. It's not big as the other one. Man, it's sticking me. Big brown. Oh yeah. Did I snag it? Almost. Close enough to the mouth. Woohoo! Man. Fish is very strong. Come here, buddy. Jesus Christ. Whoa. Yes! Another beautiful brown, guys. All right, buddy. You free? Yeah. One look at you. There she goes. Yes. Bye-bye. All right, let's get another one. Maybe there's more in here. Huh? What is that? A fish. Whoa, jumper. Whoa, is that a brown? Oh yeah, nice brown, guys. Woo. Come down, buddy. Yes, it's number 4. All right, guys, another beauty. Ooh. Come down, buddy. Nice one. Oh yeah. All right, buddy, you're free. There she goes. Woo. All right, let's get another one. Oh, oh man. I have another hit. A huge brown right there. Dang. So many trout here. This one, another nice one. Oh yes, is that a brown? It's a rainbow. Woo-hoo, nice one. Oh, heck yeah. Beauty. Yes. All right, guys. Not the beautiful rainbow. And it's fat. Look at that. Okay, buddy. Thank you so much. There she goes. All right, let's get another one.